Hello and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. Today I am participating in the seasonal challenge called $5 Goodwill Challenge hosted by Hilary from the Old World Home. Do check her channel and the playlist created by her. The links are given in the description box below. In this challenge, Hilary asks everybody to pick something from Goodwill, thrift, or any such shops and give it a new life in your own home. Decorate it. I believe we as a society should promote local crafts, local handicrafts, art, and culture. Otherwise, these will die out. I got two pieces from the local artisans and I'm going to share them with you. I love to do DIY, decor, sew, home, everything in a budget. If you love such content, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post a video. These are the two pieces that I want to share with you today. This is a wooden carved incense stick holder. It opens up like this and you can put incense here, or you can put the stick can be put in here. There's a small hole here and then you cover it, and these are the carved holes through which the smoke comes out. Looks really beautiful. There are some copper engraved elephants on the sides. Sometimes you even get these incense stick holders with little drawers at the bottom where you can store your incense sticks. Now the next piece that I want to share is a wooden vase. This vase is made out of one block of wood and it has been given a dark polish. You can see it's engraved and it looks really pretty. But the only problem that I feel with this vase is that because it's in dark wood polish, the engraved designs, that's the reason I brought it outside to show it to you. The engraved designs do not look so prominent indoors. So I was thinking of giving it a little touch of white and gold, just barely enough to make these things prominent. It's really beautiful, handcrafted, and I love this piece. The shape is lovely, the design, the pattern is beautiful. I paid about $3 for this piece and a little less than $2 for this one, so well within the budget of $5. So let's give them a little makeover and use them in my decor. I changed my mind and I found that adding colors to this would spoil its beauty. I just give it a good clean with a little brush, old toothbrush, and some dish washing soap, and I think this is looking just so pretty in itself. The colors are so lovely and it's got such lovely bohemian vibe. I love this. I hope you like it too. Thank you so much for watching. Take care everybody.